Hey guys, Tatum Christopher Swanson here, and since I got like 910 over like 910, I'm gonna do my Baby Einstein Kinetic motion toy collection. It's gonna be pretty cool, and yeah, it's gonna be pretty cool. This first Kinetic has been used, just used. And it is a version of the Cosmos Kinetic that I've had since Christmas 2015, when remakes were first being introduced. Here's this thing that fell off of it because of my cousin. But overall, I think it's good. And sometimes I've even used this as, I've even considered this as my substitute for the red and black Cosmos from Baby Bach and Baby Galileo. Which Baby Galileo actually stole a clip from Baby Bach when filming, when doing the planet section. Next one I have, and this goes for the order in which I got them, since this goes for the order in which I got them. This goes for like the order in which I got them. So yeah. My substitute for the spinning balls, which I know is not exact, but Rift has another version of this substitute, but it's more colors. This was in my Baby Van Gogh audio sampler video version. And I imagine the first one I showed was with this having been falling off as somewhere. It'll probably be used in my World of Rhythm remake, I'm not sure, to replace one of the kids scenes. There are a lot of toys that will replace some of the kids scenes. Just FYI. Bye, Dad. You too. Next, we have one of my favorite Kinetics. Let me just get it real quick. Of course, it's one of the Kinetics from Baby Bach. It's a Kinetic from Baby Bach. And there's a certain angle that this Kinetic has in Baby Bach as well. It's the Jupiter Kinetic from Baby Bach. This was also seen in my Baby Galileo audio sampler video version. I think in my Baby Bach one too. This was seen in a lot, so yeah. This is a really cool Kinetic, one of my favorite toys from Baby Bach. This was also seen in my Tatum and Friends Lullaby Time remake, along with the Clown on Ladder from Baby Newton. Of course, that's not a Kinetic, but yeah. You know, fun fact, I used to consider Ishiguro toys as Kinetic toys for a long time. But ever since I started looking at toy chests again, from like Newton and Beethoven, I realized that they actually weren't kinetics. Which one do I have? Is that? I got this one in 2019. Okay, this one has a lot of dust in it. I might need to dust it. Yeah. Now this one doesn't go for long. I don't know if it's the battery or something, or if this specific one was designed that way. But yeah. Next one. This is the one I got in 2019. This one I got in 2019, and this is the gray Cosmo, silver Cosmos from Baby Galileo. I wish I had the black and red ones. I wish I had the original black and red ones from Baby Bach. And keep in mind, this is not all the Kinetics I plan to get. I plan to get more. I mean, I ordered the Atom Kinetic from All Work All Play off eBay, and it still hasn't come. I mean, not eBay. All Work All Play. I mean, I ordered the Atom Kinetic from All Work All Play, and it still hasn't come yet, leaving me to believe that Rift is not doing what he would what he said he would, and would much rather be playing on his phone, playing games on his phone, than doing what he's supposed to do, which is helping his customers. But this is the Happy Circle from Baby Newton. I got this for my birthday this year, as you should know. I got this for my birthday, and this has been seen in a lot of 2022 videos. There's some music videos for Baby Newton, my LN audio sampler, no, not Shakespeare. I was about to say Shakespeare, but then I realized it wasn't in my Shakespeare audio sampler, but it wasn't. And then it was seen in my Discovering Shapes remake for Tatum and Friends. It was then seen in my See and Spy Shapes video version, which is cool. And something I enjoyed making, and will be seen in Rudy's Bag of Shapes. And for other videos, it was seen in Mozart's musical discoveries. Another version was seen in Baby Box Brand Goldberg Suites, which was in Goldberg Variations, which was in which is the Baby V Go mini movie, which is not the same thing as this. This is a complex one to move. You have to do that, which I got the hang of, thankfully. This is military time, by the way. Yeah, I'm just gonna spin for a few more minutes. Okay, I'm not, but. And then, last kinetic I have for the moment, well, at least for the moment, until I get more, until I get more, until I get more, this will be my last one. This is one of my favorites, the Rocking Dolphins from Baby Van Gogh. I got this in June, and it came. This will be seen in videos like Head to Toe with Da Vinci, which is going to be my Baby Da Vinci remake. This will be seen in the nose scene in Baby Da Vinci. This will be seen in the nose scene from Baby Da Vinci. This will be seen in the circle scene in Rudy's Bag of Shapes, because of the ball right there. And this will also be seen in the Rockabye Baby lullaby renditions of the Rolling Stones. It sounds like the cymbals in Big Rock by Kevin MacLeod. And then, I believe, that is my entire Kinetic collection. Because I read Rockin' Dolphins, that, and I have officially reviewed all of my Kinetics as of right now. I do plan to get more Kinetics, especially some rare ones from like the early videos. Like, I don't know, I plan to get more Kinetics. Like, I plan to get like the Galaxy Kinetic, both the multicolor and the silver version from both Galileo and Mozart, and really the Kinetics that were seen in a lot of the BE videos. And like, I'm planning to get like the original version of the spinning balls from Baby Galileo, from Baby Beethoven 2008, Baby Galileo, Lullaby Time, and World of Rhythm. So yeah, that's all my Kinetics. So, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell for more notifications. See y'all later. Goodbye.